Hello and assalamu alaikum everyone. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope you are good and healthy. Allah bless you. Always be happy, friends. First of all, thank you so much, viewers, for watching my all videos and supporting me. I am very happy to see this. I am very thankful to you for your this favor. Certainly, you can see, friends, in this video we are providing you most trending and classical designs of Crochet gloves designs. So viewers, please don't skip the video. Watch the video start to end because in this video you will see stunning and unique Crochet gloves designs. I hope you will love these beautiful designs. Unique handmade designs, beautiful textures, patterns, elegant appearance, personalized style reflects individual taste. Warmth suitable cooler weather, comfortable, breathable, soft yarns, long lasting resistance to wear. Easy care machine, washable, dryable, suitable for various activities. Confidence booster, unique handmade designs, self experience reflects personal styles, relaxations, gleaming, smoothing textures, connections, handmade, sentimental value, pride of ownership, quality, handmade gloves. Natural fibers, breathable regulations of hand temperature, truth. Improve circulations, compressions-free designs, reduce hand spotted midnight full Crochet promotes relaxations, types of Crochet gloves, fingerless gloves, full finger gloves, mitts, worms, arm worms, popular Crochet stitches, single crochet, half double crochet, triple crochet and cable stitch. Yarn choices wool, cotton, bamboo, silk. Hand size, shape, personal preference, occasion, seasons, climate. Colorful patterns, natural inspired. Customizations, personalizations, fit designs, cost effective, affordable materials. Creative, gleaming, smoothing Crochet process, proud of ownership, handmade creations. Would you like to expose British Crochet gloves designs or benefits of your needs? So we will share this video with your family and friends who want these types of decoration and designs and ideas. We were different people have different choices and they love different types of designs and ideas. So in this video you will see different themes and trending design. Select your favorite design that apply on your hand for outstanding looks. Thank you viewer for watching the video, especially for those people who searching these types of most trending designs. So viewer, if you all love these articles and if you want more types of designs and ideas, so like my video, subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon from the new and latest update. Be connected with me, friends, and remember me in your prayers. See you soon. We will take care and Allah Hafiz. Please subscribe my channel.